In a small village in southern China, a boy named Zhang Wei was born. He lived in a modest home with his family. From a young age, Zhang was fascinated by karate. He would watch martial arts movies and be mesmerized by the combat moves. He often spent his time imitating the fighting techniques in front of the mirror. When Zhang turned 10, his father took him to a local dojo run by Master Li, who was renowned for his exceptional karate skills. Zhang decided to start his training under Master Li. The training was very tough, but he never gave up. He learned every move with precision and diligence, and he returned every day eager to learn more. As time passed, Zhang began to master karate. He developed great discipline and self-confidence. At the age of 17, he decided to participate in local tournaments. These tournaments were challenging with strong competitors, but he was determined to prove his skills. Despite the challenges and difficulties, Zhang managed to win several matches and became known as the Young Warrior. After achieving success in local tournaments, Zhang felt the need for greater challenges. He decided to travel to big cities to learn from the best instructors and compete in international tournaments. During his travels, he faced many challenges, but never lost hope. He always remembered Master Li's teachings, considering them a source of inspiration. Eventually, he won international tournaments and received prestigious awards. Zhang returned to his village after years of travel and training. He became a local legend and began to train the new generation of karate enthusiasts. He taught them not only karate skills, but also the values of discipline, humility, and courage. The village became a center for karate training, and everyone recognized Zhang's contribution to this success. In the end, Zhang's story was a lesson for everyone about the importance of believing in oneself and pursuing dreams despite the difficulties and challenges.